Another item that happened that I struck me at least personally, and it could fly under the radar, but I think it's worth following is the US with NVIDIA and AM developed a revenue sharing agreement allowing them to deal with other countries, specifically China in this situation, in exchange for a revenue share, roughly 15% revenue share. A license for that revenue share. So this is interesting from a diplomacy standpoint, and this is where markets work, right? And there's certain areas that you want to make sure markets work because folks are incentivized accordingly. I am personally interested to see how this develops over time. Is this a new path towards a diplomacy arrow that you can take out of the quiver? Or is this just a one time thing that's happening? That's something that I am following because things that may or may not affect free markets in its purest sense of the word are things that capture my attention because that leads to how assets are priced over time.